We are surrounded by social media, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. It's hard not to be active on at least one of them. And when you're at uni, you'll probably use it a lot more, to keep in touch with family back home, to give updates on what you're learning, or to reach out to other coursemates when you're panicking about deadlines. But did you know that when you join the university, there are some do's and don'ts you've agreed to follow? Think of it less as a list and more like the lines drawn on a football pitch. They're there to help you protect yourself and others around you. Most of the don'ts will be ones you've heard of and hopefully already think about. These are things such as: don't use social media to bully by either writing or using images or videos without their consent, especially if explicit. Trolling and spreading other rumours and sharing sensitive information about others. As well as damaging your own reputation and potentially harming others, you may be subject to formal disciplinary procedures. I know that can sound scary, but a helpful way to think of it is like this. If you wouldn't say it to someone's face in a public place, don't share it, and if you wouldn't want your employer or relatives to see it, don't share it. Social media is a great way to keep in contact, to show friends and family what you're up to, and even for future employers to get an insight into who you are as a person. But remember, anything put online can be easy to share, even if you've deleted it. One final thing. At Sheffield Hallam, similar to other professional workplaces, we have our own guidelines, so it is important to familiarise yourself with them in preparation for your working career. Don't be afraid to use social media to be creative. Keep in contact with friends, family and professionals, and have fun. Remember to be considerate about what you post, and you protect yourself and others while communicating online. If you want more information on using IT at Sheffield Hallam University, you can check out the full IT regulations on our website. Thank you for watching.